Hey beautiful people, welcome as no more and you my darlings have surely tuned in to Life No More Khabela. Hope you do stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. Sorry if the video is kinda dark, there is load shedding. Today it struck at 9 and it will be back at 12. So either way, I just finished bathing, brushing my teeth, and now I wanna clean my room because it is like literally messy. I left like a lot of makeup products yesterday after I attempted to shoot a makeup video, which was a fail due to load shedding obviously, and since it was already night time I just went straight to bed. So yeah, so I'm gonna be cleaning my room. So it's the cleaning my room with me, then after I'll go to the police station, then Pep to get a few towels, sanitary towels and a few things. So yeah, clean my room with me. Let's get this room clean because it is literally messy. I will show you what I'm talking about. Actually, let me stand up. Part of my room is clean because the table, it's like my background for shooting tutorials or videos, and yeah, I left everything after trying to shoot yesterday. So this side is literally clean, obviously beside the 2 liter of water. Then I haven't made my bed as of yet. I just woke up and went straight to the bath. The part of the clothes and the things there are quite sorted and fine, but then this part, the couch or the sofa, it's quite too messy because there's a blanket in which I want to put it into the machine and wash. Then the what do you call it, my cushions whatsoever, and the pajamas I just took off. Then the table here, as you can see, the bags are quite too messy. The makeup products here need a lot of attention because I left them as they are yesterday after shooting. So yeah, let's just get this ready cleaned because it's literally a mess. So I am not gonna remove, okay, let me just remove the 2 liter. I'm not gonna remove like the setup. I'll just clean beneath and just let it like this, because when electricity come back, or also when I come back from running the errands, I will like continue with the video that I couldn't shoot yesterday. So this is literally my simple mini makeup tutorial setup. Sometimes I put the flower there, sometimes I just let it as it be. So on the table I also have my perfumes, like my face washes. Then this side it's my skincare and sunscreen. So it is literally that. As you can see, that side it's in order, and I'll also be leaving this one as I've said. Yeah, so let's just get this room clean already. side done, the clothing's this side. So I did organize these makeup thingy, and these are the packages that I want to review. The couch now looking like this, neat and clean. So I was organizing my bags here, then the table. I did nothing this side because it was already clean, and I didn't remove the shooting setup because it's 12 o'clock now, electricity is bad, and sis is gonna be shooting. So let me be far and just show you the rest of the room. So this is how the rest of the room now looks like. Done with cleaning and eating. I'm gonna go out to run a few errands. So yeah, come with me, come with sis, come with the elder sis. Sambin. Cheers. I think the last time I was doing grade 3.
This is my good of
Hey guys, so we back from running errands. I did get a few things. Actually, I want to make it some kind of a mini haul. Noise. So let me start with Pep. I did get a few things at Pep. Firstly, it's this cushion. It is, let me check, 30 rand. Then I got these fluffy scatter cushion covers. They are similar to the ones I use on my bed, the one I showed you on my bed. I think there was a time whereby, or one of the vlogs in which I once bought this one, so I went on and bought another one because I needed cushion for my couch. It only has this one boring cushion, so I want to add this one so it can look kind of like banana. Another thing I got was these lavender improved what fragrance from Pep. It was 30 rand. Oh, the cushion cover is 50 rand. And I got towels. Is it? Yeah, towels. So my towel, it's like very old. It was gray because I love gray. I went on and bought gray again. So it's this towel which I use like to wrap around my whole body, the face towel, and a towel I used to, but like I needed new ones. Then from Mr. It's ShopRite. Why am I even thinking of Mr. Price? Because I didn't even go to Mr. Price. Sure. So at ShopRite, I only got 2 Johnson's bar soap, 2 Dettol bar soap, and these MPL hair coconut oil. I want to try it for my hair. Mine has been like breaking like hell. At the same time, I'm losing hair. Like a lot is going on with my hair. So these are the only things I actually bought. So yeah, just gonna go on and put the cover. So to make my couch look cute, I also need an extra one, so they can be 2 for my couch and 4 for my bed. But I need a white one, and it's very scarce finding a white one. I always plant black ones, but then I'm craving for a kind of pinkish nude like my couch, or a white one. It all definitely makes sense. Now my couch look like this. I did put the lavender and tontone on my towel so that my room smells good. So yeah, this is how now my couch looks. So we have come to the end of the vlog. Hope you did enjoy the vlog. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, and share videos so that the family can grow again. Thank you for watching. See you on my next upload. Thank you. Bye.